Hi friends, welcome again. This is Bashir Ahmed Gojri with SBA Exemplar. In this exemplar, we have highlighted four things. One is assessment for learning, second is assessment of learning, and then checklist, and in the end, enrichment activity. For this exemplar, we have taken the learning outcome SST 701. The learner identifies major layers of atmosphere in a diagram. The curricular link of this learning outcome is the chapter Air in the geography book of class 7. Assessment for learning. Answer in true or false. This is a set of 11 questions which are aligned to the learning outcome highlighted above, and the students will be asked these questions orally and they have to answer in true or false. The questions are: our Earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. They will answer true or false. Next, all living beings in this Earth depend on the atmosphere for survival. Third, it provides us the air we breathe. Four, the air we take in while breathing is actually a mixture of many gases. 5. Tiny dust particles are also present in air. Number 6. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Number 7. The oxygen content in the atmosphere in air remains constant. Number 8. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Number 9. The amount of carbon dioxide released by the humans or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. However, the balance is upset by burning of fuels such as coal and oil. Number 10. Our atmosphere extends up to a certain number of kilometers above from the surface of Earth. And number 11, clouds go only up to a few kilometers in the atmosphere. Number 12, there is a region of atmosphere which is almost free from clouds and associated weather phenomena. Number 13, atmosphere prevents meteorites from reaching Earth. Number 14, atmosphere helps in radio transmission. Number 15, lighter gases might be in most upper regions of the atmosphere. Depending upon the responses of the learners to these 15 questions, we will make the lesson plan for the following day and teach them accordingly so that the mentioned learning outcome will be achieved. After completion of the learning outcome at the end, assessment of learning can be like this: keeping altitude in mind and fill in the red boxes the names of various layers of the atmosphere. Here we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red boxes, and the students have to fill in the names of the 5 layers of atmosphere in these boxes, and they have to keep in view the altitude which is given on this vertical line. Assessment of this activity, which is also assessment for learning. Here we have given three columns: 1, 2, and 3. In the first are indicators of learning. In second, assessment of the learning of the learners, which is given in the form of checklist, and here is yes and no. So indicators are naming of various layers of the atmosphere, and second, labeling the diagram correctly. Here in the checklist, in against this indicator, the question is name various layers of the atmosphere correctly in ascending order, and labeling the diagram correctly. Against this, the question is labels the diagram correctly, and the teacher will fill in yes or no in these two boxes in accordance with the responses of the students. At the end is the enrichment activity. So, what is the activity? Draw a fluid rangoli showing various layers of the atmosphere. Thank you. With regards, Bashir Ahmed Gujri.